For lunch with my mom, and I just wanted to show you guys my outfits because I really like it. I'm wearing some simple jewelry. These earrings are from Chanel. Rings, this one's from People's. Steven gave it to me. My mom gave me this one, Zaclata. The top, I think I thrifted it. I don't remember, I think it's from H&M or I thrifted it. Skirt, I've had since I was like 14, and I believe it's from Forever 21. That's pretty much it. Obviously, Apple Watch and hair elastics just in case I have to throw my hair up. And I'm gonna wear my new shoes that my mom gave me. They're like these white kids.
I met my mom for lunch. I got an Aperol Spritz and she got an espresso martini, and they were literally out of every single drink. I had asked for 3 different drinks and each one that I picked, they were out of, which is totally fine. I ended up really enjoying what we got. We got this curry as well as deep fried pickles. My mom gave me some macaroons that she got in Toronto when she visited her friend, and then when she went home, I had a nice relaxing bubble bath. And here's where I dumped half of the bag of Epsom salts. I drained a little bit of it and then continued with the rest of my relaxing evening, aside from dumping the entire bag or half the entire bag of Epsom salts. I haven't had the chance to read and or cook or meal prep the same way that I would like to, or as often as I would like to, so spending my Sunday evening reading, having a bubble bath, meal prepping was the perfect way to spend a Sunday evening. There's just something so cathartic and grounding about cooking. It really brings you in the present moment and you get to enjoy the flavors, the smells, the tastes, and I just love experimenting with different flavors and tastes, even if we don't have that much in the house. You gotta work with something,
Hello,
right?
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today it is, what's the date today? September the 24th, and it's a rainy day. I'm just doing some administrative stuff for some teaching, so while I work on that, I'm just gonna do that. I did some this morning. I've just basically been at this desk the entire morning since I woke up, and I had a little lunch break now. I'm gonna go back to work, doing some admin work, and then I'll do some ballet class before I teach an online ballet class, and then I have a little break, and then I teach an online ballet class again, and Steve wants to go on a run tonight. That'll be fun. Hello guys. Oh, you are really far sideways. Hello, welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Wednesday and woke up, I had my breakfast, brushed my teeth. I'm gonna do some skincare and then do a ballet class because it's just 9:30 and I have plenty of time until my next class, which is until 1, and it's online today. Then I'm in the studio later this evening. So I'm gonna do my face and my makeup and then do a ballet class. And I think I'm gonna do a dance master class because, oh wow, that was something. I wanna do a dance master class because it's been a while since I've done one of those. It's been like 2 weeks probably since I've done one of those. And in general, I haven't been as motivated as I would like to be, but I want to use my dance master class a lot more in the next few months because I have it until December until I decide whether I want to renew again. And I really loved it. I think I'm going to renew, but it also depends like what financials are looking like at that time, so we will see. I also need to repaint my nails. I painted them like 2 days ago and the paint's already chipping. I'm going to use the Water Bag Serum from Laneige. Oh, that was like a lot. It's okay. Lots of dog and cat hair on my towel. I also plucked my eyebrows yesterday, and this is the first time, well, I didn't pluck them, I actually shaved them. I used like my little eyebrow shaver. It's one of the first times that my eyebrows are looking good. Like I'm liking the way they're looking based on how I shaved them yesterday. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer and then do a little bit of makeup before I put on my leotard and tights, but I'm going to do that on TikTok because I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me and yap session. Moisturizer, and then like I said, I'm gonna do some makeup before I put on my leotard and tights and do a ballet class. I'll probably use the bar downstairs because I don't think I'll wear my pointe shoes. I think I'll just put on my flat shoes because I like the dance master class flat ballet classes. I guess you could do them in pointe too, but I just don't have the space nor the proper flooring set up. I do, however, have a dance floor. If you guys didn't know that, I got it like 2 or 3 years ago. Steven got it for my birthday, and I used it in our old basement apartment because the floor was like A, more even, and B, a little bit sturdier, and C, we had more floor space in general. This house, I don't really have the same amount of floor space as I would like to roll out the Marley floor, but we're going to hopefully change that one day. Either make the office it's like a ballet studio or even the basement, like my dancing room. But anyways, that's my skincare. I'm gonna throw on some makeup and throw on a leotard and tights and then meet you guys before my class. All right, let's get changed. So I'm wearing this leotard from Yumiko and tights are underneath the leotard, guys. This is so not me. Like, who even am I right now? I'm gonna wear this Yumiko skirt as well. And that is the look for class today. I'm gonna put in some earrings as well because I hate doing class without earrings. I just feel so not myself. And yesterday, Steve and I did a spin class and he went on the treadmill because we only have one treadmill, one bike, and we did a spin class. So he's just did the same things on the treadmill as you would do on the bike. Obviously not sitting and biking, but he did it standing and running. So it was a fun little HIIT workout on the Apple Fitness Plus. So I'm feeling motivated, I'm feeling good, and I'm excited to do a ballet class on Masterclass.
I have always been somebody who enjoys doing ballet class first thing in the morning. Oh, there's Stephen also walking in during my ballet class. I just feel so set up for the day if I do a ballet class in the morning, and I've experimented with going to the gym first thing in the morning before I have a shift at work. When I was working retail, when I was working other jobs, when I was working 9-to-5s, I experimented with doing workout classes, and I always bring myself back to ballet classes around like 10 or 11, especially with my schedule now. As I'm a dance teacher, I work most evenings, so I do have that spare time in the mornings and afternoons now. And having that uninterrupted time in the mornings is so great, guys. I absolutely love it, especially when it's like a chilly morning. I warm up, I have my cup of coffee, and then I have breakfast and do a ballet class. It's just my favorite way to spend a day, a morning. I also love waking up my brain by doing a ballet class in the morning. Even if I step into the class and I'm not fully awake, I know that I'm not only exercising my body, but I'm also exercising my brain by learning new combinations, new exercises, taking in new corrections. And like I said, it's just one of my favorite ways to wake up. So I'm going to definitely make more of a habit of waking up, having my coffee, breakfast, going straight into a ballet class now that I have more free time in the mornings again. I'm also someone that kind of thrives either in the mornings or late evenings. I'm not like a midday person. I don't know what it is, but midday, I just want to curl up, watch TV, have a nap, read a book. I am not productive midday. I'm definitely more productive early in the mornings or late in the evenings. Is anybody else like that at all? And I've always been like that. Maybe it's because when I went to ballet school, I had school during the day and then dance in the evenings, and I really had to keep my brain sharp to be able to concentrate and focus during class. I don't know, maybe I'm just conditioned to be a morning/late evening person. What are you guys? Are you guys a morning person, a day person, or an evening person? Let me know in the comments down below.
All right, so I finished the class and it was about a 30-minute class, sorry. I'm going to stretch a little bit and then have lunch. Steve and I have to have lunch because I have a meeting and then I go into work today, but my back's really sore and I think it's the way I was holding it. So I'm just gonna stretch that out first. I feel so warm and ready and nice and stretched out.
Now, Friday evening after work, I actually went to a demolition derby, and when I told my mom, she was like, oh, that doesn't sound like something you'd usually go to, and it's definitely not. Not at all. But you know what? I'm glad I went because it was really fun, and it was so entertaining. Like, the announcer was so funny, and the people driving the cars definitely had a sense of humor too. This moment was iconic. I mean, what the heck even happened here? I am just so shocked, so floored. They had trucks, small cars, minivans. I think the minivans was my favorite. Trucks was probably my second favorite heat, just because it was cool to see them, as the announcer said, banana split. And you guys can imagine what happens in a banana split. You can kind of see one of the trucks already going in towards one of them. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know in the comments down below you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.